Hi everyone, this video is specifically for those people who live outside of Victoria. For Victorians, we provide delivery and installation services. In this video, I will show you how to assemble the portable electric backrest. To start with, you will receive two boxes. One will be the bigger one and one will be the smaller one. Within the smaller box, you will receive two side rails, 4 knob screw and 2 side rails cover. And with the bigger box, you will receive the portable electric backrest, power cable and adapter, a wired remote, and a pillow with its pillow cover. Either you can assemble it independently or seek assistance from your family, friends, or support worker. First step is to connect the cables. On the back of portable electric backrest, you will find 2 ports. This is for wired remote and this is the power cable. When you're connecting the cables, make sure to pass it through the gap between the metal frame and the mattress. First, we will connect the wired remote. Now we will connect the power cable. And secure this connection using this lock. Now it's the time to put this backrest onto the bed. In the second step, I will show you how to cover these side rails. In step 3, we are going to install this side rail using this knob screw. Finally, I have installed both of the side rails. Last step is to zip the pillow cover to the main frame of electric backrest. For that, first we will recline the electric backrest. Now we will attach this pillow cover using the zip. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled the electric backrest. Before we end this video, I will show you one of the best features about this electric backrest. One of the side rails cover comes with the side pocket, where you can store your essential or even hang your wired remote.